Hello viewers, I hope you all are very fine. Today I will show you how to fill the images in an enlarged version of it. So let's get started. You can see I have taken this picture, so I am enlarging it. I am holding Alt and then drag to the right side. So it is enlarged. Now I entered and then I hold Ctrl and then click on the image thumb. So I got the selection. Now I select the layer and selection I make it inverse. After inverse it, I will go for modify and expand it. Expand, I am 75 pixel in expanded it. The selection is now in inner side. Then I will go for edit, fill and content aware. Okay. Let's see. You can see the image filled up, almost done. Here is some issues you can see, but it can be fixable. I can easily fix with this. I can select patch tool. I can select this area and then hold it. So you can see this is almost fixed. Here is a black area. I am taking again. Here is a mismatch of contrast. That's why it is happening, but it can be fixable. It is fixable. I am taking clone stamp tool and almost fixed it. And also we can take care in this section. So I hope you got the point how to fill the image in its enlarged version. So if you learned something from this tutorial, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell button so that you can get tips and tricks as like these videos. Thank you viewers. Take care.